Are you feeling the pressure to snag your dream job ASAP, but you're drowning in a sea of competition? Well, I've got you covered. The key to success lies in setting yourself apart with a winning application. With a little know-how, you can skyrocket your chances of landing that coveted interview. So, are you ready to dazzle and conquer? Let's dive in and make this happen for you. As an executive recruiter and a job search strategist, I'll guide you through developing a resume that demands attention and secures your spot as the top candidate. Do you think your resume is the ultimate masterpiece? Let's face it, the sole purpose of your resume is to impress potential employers and grab their attention. But let me tell you something. If you're not receiving at least 3 to 5 calls every week, regardless of how beautifully crafted your resume is, it's not good enough. We need to get it into shape so this way you start getting interviews to land the job that you've been dreaming about. The job market can be ruthless and employers aren't messing around now. Studies are revealing that recruiters, like me, spend just 6 seconds scanning resumes before deciding whether to toss or to invite a candidate in for an interview. But don't worry, you can stand out from the masses and seize your chance. Let's make them remember you by dazzling them with a resume that cannot be ignored. In this series on resumes, I'm going to reveal how to write a winning resume that will get you noticed by hiring managers and recruiters and help you land the job that you desire. Today, I'm going to share one incredibly important thing that job seekers need to focus on when developing the resumes to grab a recruiter's attention. But first, my name is ILENE, and for over a decade, I've been an executive recruiter and a job search strategist for thousands of paying clients. My expertise lies in revealing insider secrets from the view of the recruiter on how to quickly capture the attention of employers to land the dream job they desire. As a job search strategist, I focus on teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their job search, secure a position that inspires them, and earn the income they so richly deserve. You're here watching this video to learn how to land your dream job. I create training like this every single week. If you'd like to jump the line and get the training before everyone else, now would be a genius time to subscribe to get alerts when I post new content. As an expert in the hiring industry, I have seen countless resumes across my desk. And let me tell you, a personalized cover letter can make all the difference in getting you noticed by employers. Writing a unique letter for each job you apply for may take a bit more time, but it's worth it in the long run. Statistics show that personalized cover letters can increase your chances of getting hired by up to 50%. Plus, it's a chance to tell your story and showcase why you're the perfect fit for the position. So, don't be afraid to dive in and tailor your cover letter to each job you apply for. It just might be the factor that sets you apart from the other applicants and lands you your dream job. I have an expert tip I want to share with you, but if any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's www.poundingpavement101.com to gain access to my free job search on-demand workshop that will show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately so you do not have to waste a moment of time in your job search. Because, as far as I'm concerned, every day you're not working, you're losing money. I don't believe in wasting time. I don't believe in wasting money. Hey, it flies out the window fast enough. Okay, job seekers, are you tired of sending out countless cover letters with little to no response from employers? Well, I'm going to share an insider tip that is sure to boost your chances of landing that dream job. It's simple. personalize your cover letter. Studies show that personalized cover letters increase your chances of getting interviewed by up to 40%. But don't just take it from statistics. Let me tell you a story. I recently spoke to a hiring manager who shared that they've received hundreds of applications for each job posting. They often disregard generic cover letters and focus on the ones that are personalized and show why the candidate is a great fit for that specific role. So, take the extra time to tailor your cover letter to each job you apply for, and watch your chances of getting hired soar. And while what I taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your next career opportunity. So, again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on inside secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop at www.poundingpavement101.com. My name is ILENE REIN. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist at Pounding Pavement 101. Good luck in your job search.